Jadolo John Gitonga piny owacho owinjore rang weche mamulo ahinya to oganda kod keto kenge mag ndhiyo. Jodolo kod ute lamo matawo chenro mag ataro mar chik kod mago machenro mag keto ngima oganda kamarach. Jotend din go omedo jiwo oganda jo Kenya mondo odag e yor kwe anyate kindegi mag nyasi mar sikuku.
To state that through the committee that is there to look into the matters of regulation through the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office, we want to say as a Redeemed Gospel Church, number one, that we feel that that bill needs to be relooked at more keenly because there are a number of issues that we feel we are uncomfortable with. Number one, we want to request that the umbrella bodies be given more power for self-regulation. I wonder how we'll be able to regulate all these diverse positions, knowing that every individual in Kenya is protected by the Constitution and there is freedom of worship, of religion, and of expression. So we are requesting that this matter be looked at more keenly and we should be given ample time for participation and we shall be grateful.
Weche mag siasa motenre kod agenda mar tutam ne wuoke iko mar mosendo japuonj James Wetangula mabende en wadgi speaker mar od bura Moses Wetangula e gwenge